We're at the Fish Ladder in Old Town Lansing. This was built in 1980, and it's one of the iconic landmarks of the city. We're doing deep soil injection to improve the soil bearing capacity so that stadium seating can be added to the Fish Ladder for music venues for this summer.
What we're doing today is actually a test area. The soil bore that was done found that there was some pretty unstable soil down there, pretty loose soil, some voids, and that polyurethane is going to allow us to rebuild on top of it.
I'm very involved in Lansing with the music community. You know, I'm part of the Old Town festivals here, and this is giving a whole new area to improve Old Town.
There's walking paths, they can walk their dogs, ride their bikes, just enjoy the scenery down through the Grand River. And so this is going to be a pretty awesome opportunity to impact the community. My favorite thing about the project is I think the opportunity is endless and we're just getting started.
We started doing the test site in the wintertime. So far this spring, things have been going really smoothly on driving the rods down into the ground to be able to inject that deep into the soil. After getting the amphitheater around here, it'll be great for the community to have another concert venue, and it'll be right here in Lansing. I think PolyLevel is a great alternative to have a historic landmark like the Fish Ladder here in Old Town, having us inject some foam and stabilizing the soil underneath versus ripped out and replaced so they can revitalize it. So just a few of the things that separates Ayers from the competition is our three uniques: being reliable, being on time, and being knowledgeable, as well as our patented products. Ayers PolyLevel, no job too big, no trip too small. With PolyLevel, we can fix it all.